We're going to develop our backgrounds inspired by Romero Britto to create contrast and bold colour in a pop art style. Firstly, what I want you to do is plot out the background with the different geometric shapes, similar to the ones that Romero Britto has used in his work. Then, like we've discussed, varying that line thickness to give more emphasis and interest to the lines that you are creating. You can select patterns from Romero's work, make them large to contrast in scale and potentially colour with the actual guitar design. Work initially with bold pencil crayon, really making sure that you're pressing on hard, but you can actually make a richer, bolder colour by layering the pens over the top. The important thing is testing them. Test them on a piece of scrap paper first to make sure you've got the best colour combination. And then you can start to layer them over. You can see on this speeded up video how it's starting to change the colour in both the green and the pink sections. And I can even add on little accents and highlights. It's really important that you choose colours that contrast with the colours on your guitar, and so you build things up a section at a time. I've left plainer areas where I may have a gradation or an ombre colour effect, and I've brought in some of the Romero Britto patterns in different sections. Here I'm developing the same sort of idea, just with warmer colours, with the orange and red background and the yellow flowers. First of all, you can see I've gone over it with pencil crayon, and then in a second you'll see half of it, the top half, has just been evened out with a yellow pen over the top. It gets rid of those white specks. Then it's a case of deciding what colours go where. When you build up one colour, look at what's going to go next to it. Here you can see I'm pressing on harder with the blue pencil crayon at the edges, getting lighter and then blending over it with a lighter blue as well. So I've got that ombre colour change going from dark at the edge of the shape to slightly lighter as it gets nearer to the guitar. I've done this one the other way around, and I've actually done the coloured marker first and then gone over it with the pencil crayon. If you fancy, have a go yourself.